Yeah.
Anybody in there?
There's one in there. There's 3 in there, all in the same box.
All in the same box. You want to start loading them in?
Well, I can't grab them.
You think they'll be okay in there?
Yeah, they'll be okay.
Okay.
Smart enough to get in and out of the.
Maybe close the door a little.
No.
No?
Because they need to get out when they want. They're okay under there. It's starting to loosen up. It's not as big.
It's just the same size. Look down.
Well, that's smaller, mostly. It's like the top corner. Little Redenbacher puked up out here. Are you recording? Well, it still looks like a little Redenbacher puke.
Maybe you should move the food in there or something.
No,
Oh, the
fine.
food's under there.
Yep.
Never mind.
This is the sort of stuff higher up in the mountain.